Meaning of drive time.
Drive time.
Drive time.
Drive time.
Drive time. Drive time refers to the amount of time it takes to travel from one location to another by car. It takes into account factors such as distance, traffic conditions, and speed limits. Knowing drive time is useful for planning trips, estimating arrival times, and evaluating transportation options. It can also be used in logistics and delivery services to optimize routes and schedules. Overall, understanding drive time can help individuals and businesses make informed decisions about transportation and travel.